divers, they're on their way to recover the aquatic.
The lot uses a dive knife to cut the ties, holding it in place.
They've actually just finished detaching, so he signaled to me OOB that's ready to come up, so topside crew is going to get ready to help him out. And up goes the aquapins.
Unfortunately, there's just so much crud in the water, we just can't get good images.
That could be a shark 4 feet from now. We wouldn't see it.
Well, we've got just terrible dark water conditions to work in, and that's really the problem here.
So far, these sonar images from the ROV are the best evidence yet of sharks in the river. The divers return to the floating dock to try one more time to get their own evidence. Brian Lucy makes a quick sweep of the bay with the video rack. The shark he saw on sonar last night.
You've been surveying with the video ray. Yeah, I've been flying right in the zone, between 45 and 60 feet for about half an hour. And nothing? Haven't seen anything.
Yeah, okay.
Not at all.